second set in shortcut tricks to solve quadratic equation in less than 10 seconds. Those who have not seen the first set of this series, I strongly recommend to see the video. Video link is given in the description below. Make a note from every video and try the problems of similar kind from your textbook or from the previous year's paper. See all the videos till the end for a full understanding. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified in first hand when we upload a new video. Don't forget to like and share the videos, and last but not the least, leave comments to serve you better. Now let's see how quickly we can solve the problems. Surprised? How I have solved the problems in so less time? Don't be so. You can also solve it by knowing the trick, so check it out. To solve this kind of problems, the trick is, if the form is a to the power n plus b to the power n equals to a minus b whole to the power n, where a and b belongs to real number and n belongs to any natural number. If it is so, you have to check only one thing, whether n is even or n is odd. If n is even, your answer will be straight away either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. And if n is odd, your answer will be b equals to 0 only. Have you understood this? Only by remembering this trick, you can solve this kind of problems very easily, right? Now let me show you how I have done all those sums with the help of this trick. See the first problem. In the first problem, we are having a to the power n plus b to the power n equals to, here a is x plus 1 and b is x plus 3, equals to x plus 1 minus x plus 3 whole to the power 4, which is 16. Yes or no? Therefore, it is in this form. Here, n is 4, which is even. Since n is 4, which is even, therefore my answer will be either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. That's exactly what I have done here. X plus 1 equals to 0 implies x equals to minus 1. X plus 3 equals to 0 implies x equals to minus 3. That's it. Have you understood? See the second problem. It is same as your a to the power n plus b to the power n equals to a minus b whole to the power n. How I have done a minus b whole to the power n? Check it in the right hand side. Your 729 is written as x minus 3 minus x minus 6 whole to the power 6, which gives you basically 3 to the power 6, which is nothing but 729. Yes or no? So for the second case, we have to only observe what is our n. Here n is 6, which is even. Therefore my answer will be either a is 0 or b is 0. That's exactly what I have done here. Here x minus 3 is 0 implies x is 3, and x minus 6 is 0 implies x equals to 6. That's it. Is it clear? Now for the third sum, you observe, it is again the same form, a to the power n plus b to the power n equals to a minus b whole to the power n. How I have written a minus b whole to the power n? Check it out. 27 has been written like x minus 2 minus x minus 5 whole cube, which gives you basically 3 cube, which is nothing but 27, right? Here you have to check what is your n. Here n is nothing but 3, which is odd. Therefore, my answer will be only b equals to 0, which is nothing but x minus 5 equals to 0 implies x equals to 5. That's it. Is it clear? See the fourth sum. Again, it is in the form of a to the power n plus b to the power n equals to a minus b whole to the power n. A minus b whole to the power n, I have written it like x plus 5 minus x plus 3 whole to the power 5, which gives you basically 2 to the power 5, which is nothing but 32. Right? Here, n is nothing but 5. Again, it is odd. If it is odd, the answer will be what? B equals to 0. That is, x plus 3 equals to 0, which implies x equals to minus 3. That's it. Have you understood this trick? Okay, now we will move for the next video for its second part.